What's up, everyone? This is Vic with Vic's Venerated Vlogs. This is just a quick video for me visiting Area RC with Mark Santa Maria as he was selling me and telling me about all of the Mini-Zs, their options, what they have to offer. It was a really cool setup at his place. Met some cool people, saw some cool things. So here's my venture into the RC Mini-Z world. So join me in this little venture. Hint, hint, little. I happened to be there on race night, so I apologize in advance for the audio quality. It was very loud.
All right, what's up, everyone? It's Vic with Vic's Venerated Vlogs. I'm here in Area RC with Mark. I saw a couple of his videos. I saw he was in an area. I had to come check him out. So you've seen some of my cars, and I'm getting into this whole Mini-Z thing. And I came by, and Mark, just tell me about why. I mean, I love the buggy for sure, but why this one? Why should I get this one too?
All right, so when I first met Vic, he was telling me about his gold Bigfoot. So he's intrigued by the limited edition stuff. This is the limited edition Kyosho Mini-Z Corvette. It's chrome. So I was like, dude, if you're into the limited edition stuff, you got to do this one. So that's the big thing on this one. And this one you can race. So if you want to come out and race, you're good to go. This one I recommended because he wanted something fun at his house. He said he had hardwood floor. This is so much fun. Drifting, he said he was going to 3D print jumps. It's perfect for in the house. It's fun. So
Okay, so I'm leaving with two cars. All right.
yeah,
And
I mean, you got to.
Maybe some tools. Okay.
There you go.
All right, so stay tuned. We're gonna do some more updates on some racing. I haven't raced before like this. I'm into bashing and just driving all the other stuff. So this is something new for me. I have to get to because I gotta have the buggy. Anyway, but I'm gonna go with limited edition.
I have
one. I bet you do. But limited edition because of Mark.
Yeah, it's limited edition.
All right, cool, man. All right, thank you, sir.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah.